Hey folks, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna give you Pastel Paris mobile Lightroom DNG preset, XMP camera preset, and also the LR template, that is our desktop Lightroom preset. All the links are down given in the description, so you can just download it for free. And if you can watch my other videos to how to install the preset in your desktop Lightroom as well as the camera preset in Photoshop. So before any further ado, let's get started. So all you're gonna do is just copy the DNG preset to your smartphone or your SD card of your mobile. Click on the plus button on the Lightroom application, click on the three dots, unselect the JPG, only select the raw file. Before doing the raw file, all you're gonna do is just to import the photo on which you have to apply the preset. So this is the Pastel Paris preset, right? So all you're gonna do is just click on the add button. So it will be added to all photos, and just wait for the moment for the preset to be added. So here is the preset which is successfully added. All you're gonna do is just click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and just apply the preset to the photo on which you have to apply. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. So as you can see the difference, here is the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen, and a pastel kind of vibe it is giving to the photo, which is really looking so cool. Let's try it on this photo. Click on the three dots and select the paste settings. So you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is literally looking so dope guys. So you should use this in your editing game and just turn up your Instagram feed to a next level. So this is really so amazing and a perfect preset if you are searching to create a kind of amazing feed, like a kind of perfect aesthetic. Then you can use this kind of preset to your photo and just turn into an amazing Instagram. So you can see the difference guys. Here is the before and here is the after. Literally it is looking so adorable. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. Wow guys. So I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and guys don't forget to download the XMP preset, the camera preset for your Photoshop, and also the .lr template for your desktop Lightroom. Also guys, don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download the premium collection of presets, lots and many more cool stuff just for free. And also guys, don't forget to follow out me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome. Also guys, follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye guys.